To introduce a contrast or opposite idea, but not, but rather, but instead, I wanted to go for a walk, but not in the rain. She didn't choose the red dress, but rather the blue one. To indicate an exception, but only, but still, but none. You can go to the party, but only if you finish your homework. The project was delayed, but still managed to meet the deadlines, to express a condition or limitation, but if, but when, but unless. I'll help you, but if you need it. The team can play in the final, but unless they win this match. To emphasize an unexpected or surprising outcome, but also but even so. She's not only a great cook, but also a fantastic painter. He was late, but even so, he finished the report on time. To denote a conjunction used in sentences with negative clauses. But no, but never, but not yet. There was but no sign of the package. I have but never heard such a strange story. To contrast two ideas or statements in the same context. But in fact, but actually, but instead. He claimed to be a professional, but in fact, he was just a beginner. I thought the answer was correct, but actually, it was wrong. Common collocations with but had but now, but why, but how, but then. I'm busy, but now I'll make time for you. You have the resources, but why haven't you used them? But then it started raining.